औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम dear students, Ramzan Mubarak. I am your maths teacher from Middle Wing Boys. Now, recap of previous knowledge is variable, coefficient, constant and term. In this figure, coefficients, variable and constants are given. A variable is unknown quantity. A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. And a simple number without variable is called constant. In algebra, like terms are terms that have the same variables and powers. The coefficients don't need to match. Unlike terms are two or more terms that are not like terms. They don't have the same variables or powers. An algebraic expression is an expression built up from integers, constants, variables, and other algebraic operations. Here two examples are given: 5x minus 4y minus 7 and 4x square minus 10. These are examples of algebraic expressions. Now linear expression. Linear expression is an algebraic expression where the power of variable is equal to 1. Here some rules of integers are given. In the end of the lesson, you will be able to recognize quadratic expressions, add and subtract quadratic expressions, and expand and simplify quadratic expressions. What is quadratic means? The word quadratic comes from a Latin word for a square. Quadrats is equal to square. A quadratic expression is any mathematical expression whose power or degree is 2. In other words, any expression that uses variables where the highest exponent or the expression's degree is 2 is a quadratic expression. Here steps to solve algebraic expression. First step, we will open the bracket, and in second step we will identify like terms. In third, group the like terms, and in last we will add or subtract the coefficients of the like terms. Here some questions are given. First question, 3b square plus b plus 11b square minus 4 plus 9b minus 2. Now in first step we will identify the like terms. Now here 3b square and 11b square. These are the kind of same type, and b plus 9b. These are like terms. 4 and 4, these two are constant. Now we will group these like terms in next step. 3b square plus 11b square plus 1b plus 9b minus 2 and minus 4. In the end we will add or subtract the like terms. We can't add or subtract unlike terms. In this side and we will add like this, like integers. Okay, coefficients of b squares are plus 3 and plus 11, so it will become 14. Coefficient of b are plus 1 and plus 9, which is equal to 10. Now constant are minus 2 and minus 4, which is equal to minus 6. Now here some rules of multiplications are given, and here four properties are given. Now we will apply these four properties on the question. Question is 5 bracket x minus 4 bracket close minus 3 bracket 2x plus 4 bracket close. And now in algebraic expression we will use bracket instead of multiplication. Maximum we will use bracket instead of multiplication. Now here bracket means this 5 is multiplying with x minus 4. Now in above law, if there is there is positive sign is outside of the bracket, it's mean then a will be multiplied in with the bracket, the sign will not change. Similarly, when there is negative sign is out of the bracket, all the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Now here in first step 5, there is plus with 5, so when we will multiply 5 with x minus 4, its mean sign will not change. Similarly here in next step there is negative with 3, so when we will apply 3 all sides or all signs inside the brackets will be changed. Now 5 multiplied by x is equal to 5x, because there is coefficient of x, x is 1. When multiply 5 with 1, it will become 5x. Now 5 fours are 20, then here minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 6x, minus 3 multiplied by plus 4, it will become minus 12. Now in next step we will group the like terms. Yes, now 5x and minus 6x are like terms, and minus 20 and minus 12 are like term. Now we'll add and subtract like terms. Similarly we have done in previous question. Here similarly here another example of same kind. Now last, it is your written assignment. Practice now. You will do practice now 2 and 3, and exercise 2a question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay ji, Allah.